Hi, welcome to the DreamBox Diaries. This week, I am so excited to bring you the DreamBox offers for Black Friday. This was the perfect opportunity for me to record myself down in the corner and show my DreamBox with the crown lighting. The crown light has been on since 10 a.m. because I live in Ireland and it has just been raining all day. It is just so grey and disgusting. But before we get to any of that, I want you to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell. Say hello to Peppers while you're here. Hey, Peppers. Stay tuned for up to $1,000 saving if you're in the US and up to $563 savings if you're in the EU or UK. Go via clairedb.com/db20 after I give you the coupons below. Well, in a minute. So, hi. Peppers and I want to take a second just to share what we're about. Peppers is the creative director of Heart Handmade UK, a site where I am just totally dedicated to sharing fast or easy, achievable tutorials for disabled women and helping them heal through crafting and creativity. I'm a disabled woman myself. Here are my crutches, sparkly crutches. Aren't they beautiful? I'm a disabled lady myself. I suffer from invisible illnesses and I run my business in like 16 hours a week. So having a creative space somewhere you can go and you can decompress is so important for your mental health. Peppers knows all about that and she reminds me to be creative every single day by running upstairs and trying to see if she can beat me up here, basically, so she can come and lie and just be a cat while I craft. So your creative space, though, doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be a full room. It doesn't have to be like a big fancy space. My room here is a craft room and a guest room that's currently in use at the moment. So this DreamBox folds away. I can open it whenever I need to. Thankfully, I don't even need to close it because I'm still able to pull out bed and keep my DreamBox open. But it's really important that you have somewhere where you can go, you can be creative, you can decompress, and you can relax. It's so important to your mental health. Okay, so right now for Black Friday, early Black Friday deals, you can get $300 off the DreamBox unit itself using coupon codes HHMUK1000 if you're in the USA or HHMUK563 if you're in the UK or EU. Go via clairedb.com/db20. This is my DreamBox, but Create Room just announced last week about the brand new DreamBox, brand new and improved DreamBox with a ton of space in it. Look, this is the new DreamBox. It got so much better. There is more storage space because they took away tons of new shelves. They put on new shaker style door with 3 panels instead of 2 on each door. It is so easy to open on wooden flooring. I would say carpet would be a bit of a struggle if you have a lot of stuff in there. But they have included these things called tote tracks so they can use fewer shelves, which means there's even more space than there was before. I didn't think that was possible. The totes also now have lids, which are amazing. And that means that you can carry them all around your house. I do. I've got totes under my couch. There is more space for your supplies. And again, it just can close up in a matter of seconds. It's incredible. So you can do more with the new DreamBox. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is my DreamBox. And this is just, I want to go through a couple of things, okay? Because these drawers, they're an upgrade, okay? Whenever you're ordering your DreamBox, you will be building kind of like a frame, and then you have to add all the customizations because it truly is about getting the correct storage space for you. So visit clairedb.com/db20, get $300 off the DreamBox, $100 off crown lighting, $100 off the sew station, $100 off the DreamCart, $100 off side tables, and $200 off the pre-built service. Go, clairedb.com/db20. Go, enjoy, and enjoy daily creativity.